let's take a look at this trending VPN, JumpJumpVPN. So, just going quite high in the ratings this day. So Quick Connect is a secure and high-speed VPN proxy application that provides you with a secure, stable, and anonymous internet experience. Whether you're browsing on a public Wi-Fi network, JumpJump VPN is the best choice for you. So it's an encrypted connection from device to network over the internet. It helps ensure the secure transmission of sensitive data, prevents unauthorized people from eavesdropping on traffic, and allows you to surf the web securely and anonymously. So yeah, it just protects your surfing, internet browsing from unwanted access. So other people like authorities, whatever, can know which sites you are browsing. So if you're in some location, if you're on hotel Wi-Fi or things like that, definitely try to use VPN. Think of it as of kind of your toothbrush that you're just brushing your teeth is kind of like internet hygiene, which you need to use if you're in some insecure environments. So then yeah, you can just open it up, and then this app is pretty easy to use, quite fast. There is just a guest mode. Of course, you can create an account if you want, but you can also use it without the account. There is some like routine modes. So there is global routing and smart routing. You can go into that. But anyhow, here you can just select different servers. There are 0 servers, quite a big selection, to be honest. And then, for example, let's just select here, and then
If you're looking for the best
there is
platform to get
basically some ad here, and then you just see an ad, and then connecting, and then that's it. And then free users are just limited for 60 minutes per connection. And this is like the second time I connect to this VPN, because the first time you will also need to add your kind of VPN profile to this app. So that's basically the idea. And then if you wanna, you need to upgrade for unlimited mode, and then upgrade to premium, and that's basically what it is. Then there is some support in the top right. Oh shit. So sorry. So probably seems yeah, it's not that completely finished, because their link is disabled. But anyhow, then you can just disconnect. So just super quick VPN to use. So try it out.